week. All right, welcome to another winning Saturday night in the Cash Explosion Studios. Now, if you watched last week, you know that 2 of 12 contestant spots in the 30th anniversary special are claimed, but that leaves 10 more spots. So if you found the lucky 30th anniversary symbol on your Cash Explosion ticket, send it in. Someone's gonna win that $300,000 grand prize. Why not you? Right now, though, 8 lucky winners are here to win tonight. So let's meet them. Teresa from West Carrollton plays first. Lori from Port Clinton. Don from Piqua. And then Nico from Fishers, Indiana faces the big board. Players, if you find tonight's bonus prize square, get ready for a cell phone upgrade. You are getting the Samsung Galaxy S7 Edge. This Android phone boasts a brilliant large screen and a massive battery for optimal performance. It's water resistant, so it can survive a spill or a puddle. But the real superstar on this phone is its camera. Lots of selfies. All right, Teresa, we are going to get things started. Are you ready to hit your button and win some money?
Oh, yes, absolutely.
All right, let's fire up the big board. In column for you.
S.
The S. What is behind that S? $4,000. Nice job. Lori. Lori's in the L column. $1,500. All right, Don, your turn is here. You're in the O column.
C.
The C. Let's see what you have. $2,000 coming your way, and Nico. You're in the N column, Nico.
Big money A.
Big money A. What is behind Big Money A? $2,800. You know, we're watching Cash Explosion. It's all big money, Nico. We head over to Lori. Lori, we've got to add more money to your pocket. Yeah, I know. And you're saying that because there's 9 other people you got to share this money with, isn't it? Where are the people that are with Lori here? Oh, okay. You guys rooting her on. I'm wishing big for you because they're up there. They got your eye. All of their eyes are on you. There's 18 of them up there looking at you. All right, Lori, so let's get you some more money. You're in the I column. S. The S. Behind that S. You got a double. Yay. All right, Lori. Go ahead and hit your button again. We are going to double the amount of money behind that S. What is that? $2,200 and $4,400 more bucks. Don, you were here at Cash Explosion in 1994.
Yes.
We were still giving away automobiles.
Yes.
And you won one.
Yes, I did.
And what do we have for Don? There's the bonus square. That's what we have. Here's Johnny Douglas to tell you what you won.
Well, Don, it's a 1984 Mercury Villager GS.
And you still have that one.
Yeah.
Well, you're still driving it or you just have it?
No, I give it to my granddaughter.
So she's driving it?
Yeah.
Oh, my gosh. How many miles?
Oh, bunches.
You lost count.
Yeah, I can't remember now.
Well, you know what? You're going to win bunches of money, and welcome back to the show.
Well, thank you. Thank you.
You're welcome. Key column.
The A.
The A. What is behind that A? $2,200. Nico. You're in the P column.
We get the S.
The S. What is behind that S? Nico, $1,500. All right, Teresa, we're coming back to you. Everything is kind of neck and neck. Let's do it. P column.
H.
The H. What did you find? $3,200. That is what's up right now. Everyone is chasing Teresa. She has the lead right now with $7,200. But you know how things do around here. They always get interesting during the third turn. So stick around to see if anybody 5 doubles left on the big board. Finding those right now could change the outcome of your game. We're coming to you right now, Don. You have the least amount of money. Although everybody is kind of neck and neck in this game. It's interesting. So let's see how you do this turn. X column. Maybe a game changer.
A.
We'd like the A. What is behind that A? You did find one. We love this. More money to give away. I don't mind.
That's nice.
Yeah, hit your button again, and we're going to double the amount of money you find. Go ahead and hit your
I'm
button.
sorry.
There you go. What is behind that end? $5,000, Don.
Yeah.
That's $10,000 we're adding to your total.
Yeah. Thank you.
Down payment on another van.
Yeah.
Wow. Nico?
Yeah.
Yeah. You got to do something here. This
right.
is it. In column, we have the C and the H.
Let me get the C.
The C. What is behind that C? $2,500. Okay, Teresa. Here in the S column.
S.
The S. What is behind that S? You found it. You found it. All right. You need $3,500 to pretty much tie or win this game. Let's see what you get. You've landed on the O. We're doubling the money behind that O. What is that? $3,200. Very special. Lori, I feel like I haven't been here in a while. Just seems like where did you go?
I don't know. I'm still hanging out.
She's still here. You're still here. She wants her last turn. Yes, she does. You're in the S column.
A.
The A. Behind it is $25,000. Let me just say something. Congratulations and hallelujah, because those people up there, they look. Her fabulous
It's almost
9
my
friends
mom's
up.
80th birthday too, so
This is what now?
close to my mom's 80th birthday too, so.
Perfect. That's her. She's 80.
Yep.
She's telling you a big story. She's not 80. She's more like 42. Look at her. Look at her up there. All right, Lori, $25,000 in bonus bucks. You can share that with the friends that you play this game with. I think that's awesome that you guys do that. And we're going to put a little special something on top of there. What's behind that $25,000? $2,900. You guys wanted to clean up. Who cleaned up the most, though? Don. Going to the cash challenge. Congratulations, Don. Look at that. $14,200. And they can't wait to tell you what it really is going to be. $28,400. Talk about it.
Thank you.
Wow, look at all the money that they made on a $2 investment. It's amazing what you can do if you're a lucky winner and get on this show. We'll be back with more winners.
When I did that first one for $1,500, I'm like, oh man, because I got to share it with a lot of people.
Behind $25,000.
Oh my God, I was shaking. I was just shaking. You know, I told them, I said, if we hit one of those, I'm good with it.
Cash Explosion is going XL with our new limited edition 30th anniversary ticket. Scratch to find entry 3 times, and you can enter a drawing to be on the biggest Cash Explosion shows ever. And trust us when we say this is a big deal. We'll tell you more about what that means soon. Or scratch the new limited edition ticket, and if you find the 30th anniversary symbol, enter online for a chance to win $300,000 or more on our 30th anniversary TV special, airing August 26th. Who's here to make some money? Let's hear it for Judy from Toledo, Ida from Akron, Jason from Gahanna, and finally for Kim from Cinderburg. All right, players, you guys have waited long enough. Judy, you are going to get to hit your button first, so let's go grab that cash.
Okay.
not fooling around. She wants that double. She's gonna get it. The money you have behind that E is going to double. What is it? $3,500. Judy, you're getting $7 grand.
Thank you.
You're so welcome.
Thank you, thank you.
Just for hitting the button. Ida. Ida's in the end column.
Hey.
The A. Behind that A, $2,700. All right, Jason. S column.
Let's go with C.
The C. And what did Jason find? $5,000. Now that is amazing. Kim. Kim's in the end column.
S.
The S. What did she find? $3,400. All right, Judy got off to the strongest start, but it is way too early to predict how this game is going to shake out in the end. So keep it right here. This is the biggest money grab on TV. We're here with Ida. She's got more money to grab.
Yes.
You're in the E column.
C.
The C. What is behind that C? $2,100. All right, Jason.
Looking for some bonus
He's
bucks.
just looking for. He's not thinking about me. Go ahead and get. Go ahead and get. Look. Go ahead and hit your button. All right, you're in the I column.
Let's go with the S.
The S, behind that S. $4,000. Guy's cleaning up. All right, Kim.
Born ready.
O column.
H.
H. Behind that H. $2,500. And Judy, we are not through with you yet.
Okay.
All right, this is just your second turn.
Yeah.
Can you believe it? O column.
C.
The C. What did she get? $3,300. Hey, you guys, this game is not over. We could still see a lead change, especially if we see some of those game changers fly off the board. Now, Ida, you're going to be looking for a game changer because, again, you have to put more money in your pocket
Okay.
than everybody else at this
Yes.
point. Everybody wants more money, but you need more money.
Definitely.
Here we go. S column.
S.
The S. Behind that S. $1,500. All right, Jason, I hear you're on the roll trying to get an all-inclusive trip somewhere.
Yes. Anywhere with a beach.
Okay, Jason, let's see. Game changer can do that for you.
Need a game changer.
You're in the end column.
Let's go with the H.
The H. What is behind that
big
H?
time.
$4,000. Good grief, Jason, he found a lot of bucks. But you know what? We have to take a break. We have 2 more turns left. So come on back, see who is going to the cash challenge. What could $2 get you?
My car's paid off.
Remodel a bathroom.
My amazing girlfriend, I'm going to do something very special for her.
It'll definitely fix my garage.
Fishing vacation.
I'm gonna take my family to Disney.
I think my friends will have a party.
Take my boys to the beach.
Get a better car.
Rent a big cabin and have all my family come and have a nice vacation.
Welcome back to Cash Explosion. All right, Kim, you have to take your 3rd turn. You need to pad your pocket. Now's the time to do it. L column.
H.
The H. Behind that H. $2,900. And Judy, look at Judy. It's amazing, isn't it?
Yes.
All this money is crazy. You're in the N column. One choice.
C. I got
C for cash. What is behind that C? $3,200. Okay. You know what? She She had a lot of money to begin with. She got a lot of money now. She's going to the cash challenge. It's Judy! Because Jason was hot on your trail, but you know what? We're doubling it to $27,000. Yeah. All right, we started out with 8 players. We've narrowed it down to 2 of the luckiest. Now they have to face the defending champion who is on a winning streak for the past 2 weeks. Come on back. Check out the cash challenge.
It's amazing. I just cannot believe I won that ticket. I've been waiting for a long time. 27,000. I didn't even know how much I won until I looked at it. I did not expect that at all.
And now it's time for tonight's winning lottery numbers and winners of a spot on the April 29th Cash Explosion Show. Coming your way live from the Ohio Lottery's Cleveland studios. Good luck. One of your names on 3 of those squares, we are going to have our champion. Now, Sharon, you are back to try and stack $100,000 on top of the $110,000 that you already have. You are the defending champ. You get to choose first.
6.
Number 6. What is behind number 6? Sharon found her own name. How about you? All right, Don.
11.
Behind number 11, you found Sharon's name. Now, I am going to say this before you take your turn, Judy. We do have $25,000 in bonus bucks hidden behind some of these squares. I mean, that's something that's changed, Don, since you were here last. But, Judy, go ahead and pick a square. If you find Sharon's name, it's over. 4. Number 4. Who or what is behind number 4? Yeah! $1,000 for Judy. How about Judy? All right, Sharon, we're back to you.
9.
Number 9. Did she find her own name? Or is it money? Actually, it's Don's name. So, Don, you're on the board. That's exciting for you. Don, it's your turn.
12.
Number 12. Behind number 12. You found $10,000 in bonus bucks. All right, the board's a little lighter when it comes to money, right? All right.
Nice.
Judy, you got to find your name.
1.
Number 1. What is behind number 1? Money, a name, a winner?
Yeah!
Man, Judy can't lose here. All right, look at that, Judy. $15,000 in bonus bucks. That is awesome.
Yay.
All right, Sharon.
10.
Number 10. Behind number 10. Who is behind number 10? It's Don. Oh, my goodness. This is a little hair-raising, Don. Find your name or Judy's name.
3.
Number 3. Who is it? It's Judy. I bet she's happy. Judy, I know you're excited. Your name is there.
7.
Number 7. Who is behind number 7? Do we have a champion yet? Don! Yes, we have a champion. It's Don Molina. Pick one. You are tonight's Cash Explosion champion. You are taking home a $50,000 prize. We're going to see you next week facing new challengers for more. Congratulations, Don. Join Sharon here next Saturday for more Cash Explosion winning. Good night, Ohio. Tonight's winners are taking home a cash total of $184,300. Do you want a piece of the Cash Explosion winnings? Well, you know what you've got to do. Scratch, watch, and win. Good night, Ohio.